To select the printer, you will need to have your iOS device Wi-Fi turned on and you must be connected to the GBC network. Once you have opened the content you would like to print, click on either one of these icons to get to the print options. If you can't find the printer option, please check the app's user guide or help selection. Next, tap on Print. Please note that not all apps support AirPrint. Select either Library BW Printing or Library Color Printing. You will be prompted to enter your username, which is your student number, and your StuView password for password. By tapping on Options, you can change the number of copies, double-sided or single-sided, page range. When you're ready to print, press on Print to send your items to the printer queue. You can pick up your print from any Library Learning Common printer.